Understanding mint chocolate cake. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a deliciously interesting topic: mint chocolate cake. Whether you're a food lover or eager to expand your English vocabulary, understanding this phrase will surely add flavor to your language skills. Let's get started and unravel the layers of meaning behind mint chocolate cake. Mint chocolate cake is a compound noun, which means it's a noun made up of two or more words that function as a single unit. This phrase specifically refers to a type of cake that combines the flavors of mint and chocolate. Let's break it down further. Mint, a refreshing herb known for its cool and slightly sweet taste. In this context, mint describes the flavor added to the cake. Chocolate, a beloved sweet treat made from roasted and ground cacao seeds. Here, it refers to the chocolate flavor or ingredients incorporated into the cake. Cake, a sweet baked dessert usually made from flour, sugar, and other ingredients like eggs and butter. The combination of mint and chocolate is popular in various desserts because it blends the richness of chocolate with the refreshing taste of mint. This balance of flavors makes mint chocolate cake a favorite among those who enjoy contrasting taste profiles. Understanding why these flavors are paired can help learners appreciate the cultural aspects of English-speaking countries' cuisines. Mint chocolate cake can be enjoyed on many occasions, from birthdays to holidays, or as a special treat. There are also numerous variations of this cake, including layer cakes with mint-flavored frosting between chocolate cake layers, cupcakes that feature a mint chocolate base topped with minty frosting, cheesecakes with a chocolate crust and a mint-flavored filling. Exploring these variations can be a fun way to learn about English descriptive words and adjectives related to food and baking. We hope this video has helped you understand the delightful world of mint chocolate cake. Not only is it a treat for the taste buds, but it's also a great example of how English language learners can enrich their vocabulary through the exploration of food and culture. Remember, every bite of knowledge counts towards your language learning journey. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.